Walang takot na in-upload ni Andrea Brillantes ang kanyang trip to Spain bago magtapos ang 2023. Controversial ang trip na ito ni Blythe dahil na-chismis siyang nakipagkita kay Daniel Padilla doon. Pero dahil walang takot ang bida ng senior high, talagang ipinost niya ito sa kanyang YouTube channel last December 31. Maraming ipinakita si Blythe at talaga namang na-enjoy niya ang kanyang solo trip to Spain. Pumunta pa nga siyang mag-isa sa club at may mga na-meet na Spanish girls. Of course, marami ang nag-react sa vlog ni Blythe. She would not upload the vlog if it was true. Sabi naman ng isang fan. Real, may naman siya pumunta ng Spain, yung cheater, June. Sagot naman ng isang fan. May nambasag at nagsabing well, it's probably not true na something happened in Spain. But the issue about her one-night stand at DJ's house, girl, PH na mismo nagsabi, they reliable source so I choose to believe. Ikaw, kailan ka pagigising? Of course, sinagot naman ito ng isang avid supporter ni Blythe. PH na reliable source? They could just post the article with legit source, yung nakikita, hindi yung ayon sa. Yan tayo kayo yung gumising, masyado kayong nabubulag ng chismis that you guys are overacting to things na dapat wala naman kayong pake. Some of you are using the issue to spread the hate because all of you can get over to her level, sabi niya. Hindi naman nagpatalo ang basher at sinabing use your brain. Of course, those sources could have requested na hindi sila pangalanan. But PH would not release that article if wala silang propte. Ay nako, hahaha. May mga fans naman ang nagpakita ng tudong suporta kay Blythe. I cried for her when she was playing with the girl she met. She looked genuinely happy like a kid. People don't understand how hard her life is and keeps on pulling her down. I like her because she defies all odds and proves people that they're wrong. I like her because even when people are quick to judge, she keeps silent. She strives and soars higher. Such an inspiring woman. Here's to you, Blythe. More power and God bless, sabi ng isang fan. Huwag kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at i-ring ang notification bell para sa latest at legit chika updates.